Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn stopped working. This video should apply to these models made from 2012 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so if you're having problems with the horn, fuse is the first thing to check because it's very easy to access it and to pull it out and to check it, right? It's gonna be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, under this cover. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs. You want to pull them towards yourself to unlock this cover, to be able to remove it. And then just pull it up and you will get access to all of the fuses right here. Okay, and the horn fuse will be fuse number F3, which is a 15M blue fuse located in the bottom left corner. Now, if this fuse is good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. You want to make sure there is no problems with the airbag clock spring. Then you want to check the wiring towards the horns. You want to check the horn switch and you want to check the horns themselves, but quite usually this is the main problem why the horn is not working. And second would be the airbag clock spring. That's where I would look at, but I hope this fuse will fix the problem for you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.